Cutting simulation, high-performance engagement tracking. Modern CAM applications rely on accurate tool engagement data to understand and optimize the machining process. Features such as feed rate optimization, cutting force prediction, and tool deflection analysis all depend on accurate engagement information. But computing engagement throughout an entire machining process can be computationally expensive, especially for large and complex toolpaths. High-performance engagement tracking introduces a new snapshot-based approach that combines multi-core CPU processing with optional GPU acceleration to rapidly compute the contact area, radial width of cut, and axial depth of cut while maintaining high accuracy. The result is up to 5 times faster engagement analysis, enabling high-resolution process modeling for larger and more complex toolpaths. Modern CAM applications understand the machining process when generating toolpaths. Material removal simulation provides the foundation that makes it possible.